Yes, sir.
If the surgery did cause damage, then it could...
Yes, sir.
What? Hey, you know anything about this? Hey, you know anything about that?
Look at this idiot.
Really? I needed to...
Where's this fidget spinner? What will she do?
Oh, yeah. Billy Rub. Billy Rub. You like that shit? Yeah, you do.
Le petit chat qui court dans la maison, le petit.
You don't choose your cat chooses you. And oh my god. Dude, you good?
Hey.
Are you insane? Stop attacking. Immediately.
Nestle Crunch.
Teddy! All the kids are in...
Oh, I didn't even... Wow. Jack fears no... Oh my god. If I wasn't fat, you wouldn't be able to do that. So you're welcome. Oh, ouch.
Problem. You stupid mother.
I got a baby kitten, little baby kitten, look at this baby kitten. I think this one got like Down syndrome.
Don't let it fall off the couch. Dead Frank's gonna kill it.
Do you love me? Yeah.
First you do the big stretch, then you do the ooh.
Todo gusto le atendemos. Compramos carros y camionetas viejas para desarmar.
Sam, I've got a treat for you.
How are you gonna get down? Yeah? This is a process. Oh my god, George. What are you doing?
No.
I wonder who got into the meat. Kind of gives it away, doesn't it?
Alexa, tell Shark to start cleaning.
What's the name of the robot you plan to start?
Jaws.
Okay, your robot.
I said no. You've already had enough. You are a fat. No. I said no, Aiko.
Natasha. You okay?
Oh, look at me. I'm a little man. I fold my hands while I'm committing tax fraud.
FaceTiming Grandma to tell her that I only got 8 treats today, but the bag says I can have 10.
Hi there. Oh,
All right, well, I'll fight. I'm in the rearview mirror. Yes.
За выражение, ёб твою мать, думаю. Сейчас подумаю, что я ее нахер специально захерал. Потому что я всем им говорю, вы нахрен.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
Snowing in July.
What?
It's June. She's not impressed either way.
It's dirty.
Oh.
Do we take? We take. I'm taking this. We're taking. Grab.
My mom does not love me anymore. She said I have to find a new home.
Maybe I did not say that. I said you couldn't have second breakfast.
I think one of my favorite things about having a cat is little meow after you touch him.
Time to do some sketchy doo-dah, doo-dah, hope I get away with it. Oh, da doo-dah day.
I'm okay.
Oh.
Ayo.
Gromit! Wake up, Gromit! Come on, Gromit! We've got to hide the body! There's no cheese and crackers in prison, Gromit!
Oh. Dude. That's so mean. That's mean. Not nice. Ow!
Mittens. You be nice.
Mittens, Jesus Christ.